Hold on to your hats, folks, because the rumor mill is buzzing with whispers about Google pulling the plug on the Pixel 8 and waving goodbye to the entire A series of Pixel phones. Panic not, my friends, because leaked live photos of the yet-to-be-released Pixel 8 are here to save the day. Dodged a bullet there, didn't we? But let's get real for a second. The Pixel 7a and its big brother, the Pixel 7, were like twins separated at birth. It was so confusing that even Google's release schedule was scratching its head. Now, to spice things up, Google's throwing the Pixel 8 into the mix with a $700 price tag. But wait, I've got a wild idea that might just rock Google's boat. Picture this, the Pixel 8, a rebel in the smartphone world, shedding the pricey image and donning a more wallet-friendly $400 tag. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but hear me out, this move could be the saving grace for the Pixel series. Imagine a world where the Pixel 8 stands proudly at $400, while its big siblings, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, flex their muscles at $700 and $1,000 respectively. The perfect $300 staircase to smartphone heaven. Plus a budget-friendly Pixel 8, it could be the hero we need in a market saturated with $500, 600 smartphones. Now, some might scoff at my watered-down Pixel 8 a dream, but let's face it, most folks out there don't care if their phone is made of glass or plastic. They just want a reliable buddy in their pocket. So how about we trade the flashy in-display fingerprint scanner for a trusty side-mounted one? Practical, right? Turning the Pixel A into Android's iPhone Southeast, a no-frills, no-nonsense device, could be Google's secret weapon. A $400 Pixel 8A might just be the knight in shining armor, saving us from the ever-rising phone prices and making the flagship upsell less tempting. In the end, my friends, let's keep our fingers crossed that Google is reading this and considering the wild wisdom of a $400 Pixel 8a after all. Who wouldn't want advice from the fourth lowest paid tech writer? Cheers to a Pixel series that keeps things affordable and exciting.